Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this deliciously baked chicken, rice, and carrots recipe. This is a full family meal. It's so delicious and easy to make. Let's get started. I'm using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs for this recipe. I'm going to add some lemon juice to the chicken. Then I'm going to season with some spices. I'm adding dried rosemary, some dried oregano, some dried thyme. I'm also adding garlic and onion powder, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, some adobo seasoning, a little bit of brown sugar. Last, I'm seasoning with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. All the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. I'm going to mix everything together. Make sure you mix very well. We want the spices to evenly coat every single piece of chicken, okay guys? Once the chicken is seasoned, let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes to soak in the spices. Next, you're going to grab any oven-safe pan. I'm using a cast iron pan. And then you're going to place the chicken into the pan, skin side down. Next, you're going to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken into the oven and let it bake for 45 minutes. While the chicken is in the oven, we're going to quickly put together the rice because it has to go into the oven too. I'm tossing some jasmine rice into my baking dish. Next, I went ahead and heated up some chicken broth in the microwave. I'm going to pour that onto the rice. I'm also adding a little bit of minced onion. And then we're going to season the rice with some smoked paprika, curry powder, adobo seasoning, cayenne pepper, thyme, oregano, rosemary. All these spices make a killer baked rice. Next, we're going to toss in some salted butter, then season with salt and pepper to taste. Go ahead and mix everything together, cover with aluminum foil, then toss this into the oven to bake with the chicken. The chicken had about 30 more minutes to bake, so that's how long I baked the rice for. So while these two are baking in the oven, we're going to cook a delicious carrot recipe to complement the rice and chicken. I'm melting some butter in a pan over medium heat. Once the butter has melted, I'm going to toss in some sliced carrots and onion. I'm seasoning with salt and black pepper. Then I'm going to saute for about 2 minutes, then add some minced garlic. I'm cooking the garlic for 30 seconds to get fragrant. Then I'm going to add a splash of apple juice. The apple juice is going to bring out the sweetness of the carrots. Next, you're going to turn the heat down to low. Place a lid over the carrots and let them cook for about 8 minutes to soften. Once the carrots have cooked, you're going to turn your heat to high and let them caramelize for 1 minute. These carrots are so delicious and they pair very well with the rice and chicken. By this time, your chicken should be out of the oven. We're going to turn them over. Then we're going to put it back in the oven for the skin side to brown up. It'll probably take about 10 minutes. Now the chicken thighs are all done. They look so good and they smell amazing. This is one of my favorite ways to make chicken thighs. The spices on the chicken are so flavorful. By this time, your rice should be done baking. You're just going to fluff it out with a fork. Make sure you taste your rice in case it needs to be baked a little longer. Okay guys, you don't want to be serving any uncooked rice. Mine only baked for 30 minutes. I'm going to pour the carrots over the rice, then fluff everything together. You guys don't have to do this. You can just serve the carrots on the side with your rice and chicken. I'm placing the chicken thighs over the rice and carrots. This looks so beautiful and appetizing to bring to the table. Last, I'm just going to drizzle the chicken sauce left in the pan all over the chicken and rice, and this is ready to be enjoyed. The chicken came out very tender, juicy, and flavorful. and the rice and carrots pair really well with the chicken. If you guys would like to make this chicken, rice, and carrots recipe, check the description box. I'll leave all the ingredients and measurements there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!